Come, let's set up skills on wheels. We are starting at 8:59 a.m. and 0 minutes on the timer. Starting with opening the doors, every single door in the bus except for the driver's seat. Now taking the tools and machines and other display equipments out. Just placing abhi bhi baki hai. Display platforms, working platforms, stabilizing them. वो umbrella भी है. Yeah, wait and watch. Ten minutes over. Zup, cleaning, vacuuming. Setting up the workshops, electrical, automobile and electromechanical. हो गया 15 minutes. Then workshop for woodwork, including drilling and grinding. Audience already attracted amidst the setup. क्या है ये वाला curiosity? Then awning for shadow, protection from sun and rain. Pulling up the standees. Placing one near the gardening. "30 minutes khatam. Healthcare booth. Food processing setup. Tractor Dada, bye bye. Display panel set. Check for tools one last time. And advocacy on. लग गए हमको 38 minutes to set up skills on wheel.
टाटा बाय बाय.